Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 4 of Digital Artist. Today we're going to learn about clipping shapes. So today we're going to learn what is clipping, how we can use clipping to create patterns and highlights, and today on Gravit, you are going to create 2 birthday icons. Now, we're going to move on to a new theme called birthday. So this will spend 2 weeks. Today is lesson 4, you're going to work on the icons first. And then next week, lesson 5, you're going to continue by putting them into a card. Okay, so this is your HBL schedule for today. We're going to learn about clipping shapes. So what is clipping and how you can use clipping to create patterns and highlight. Later, you will need to watch the teacher's demonstration after this video on your own. And then, you will have to do your individual activity, go to Gravit, create your birthday icons, and then do the 1 question eCampus quiz. Once done, that will be the end of your IT lesson for today. Okay, so let's learn. What is clipping? Clipping is hiding or masking part of an object inside another object's boundaries. So if you look at the 2 pictures here, the one on the left and right, you see a brown shape overlapping a yellow shape. Now in the picture on the left, you notice that the brown shape is trying to hide within the yellow shape, but it is sticking out. But in the second picture on the right, it manages to hide nicely within the yellow shape boundaries. So this is called clipping, whereby the non-overlapping part of an object is hidden, okay, within the boundaries of the behind object. Alright, so no worries, let's learn a bit more about this. Now, how is clipping done? Basically, you need to select both a top and bottom shape. So you drag your cursor over them, or you can hold the shift key as you click on them. And once done, click the clip button, which looks like a rectangle and a circle on top. So let's play the video and watch how this works. So 2 shapes, top and bottom, drag over them. Once you have selected them, click on clip. And that's your clipped shape. So you'll be able to clip one shape over another. And with this new clip shape, you can actually drag it around as one entire object. One more time, let's watch. Drag over top and bottom shape. Do a clip. Click the clip button. And then this will be one entire clip object. Now let's continue. Now what can you do with clipping? Basically, there are 2 things. The first is to make a pattern, whereby the object you put in front is a group of shapes. So how to do it? Create a shapes pattern using shapes. Group the pattern together, Ctrl G. Okay, so I'm going to show you here in my video. So I created a pattern out of rectangles. Select all, group. You can also do Ctrl G. Put the pattern over a base shape. I've put it over a purple shape. Okay, select both the pattern and the shape behind. So hold shift and click, and then do a clip. Ta-da! Okay, very nice and simple. One more time, we're going to watch this. Create a pattern using shapes. Drag over the pattern shapes. Do a group. Okay, now bring the group over the base shapes. Okay, select just the pattern and the shape behind. And then do a clip. Ta-da! Okay, so that's making pattern. Now what else can you do? You can make a highlight. The shape in front is lighter than the shape behind. So let's watch how this works. I got 2 big circle shapes. The one on the left, I'm going to bring it over the one on the right. The one on the left is on top. It is lighter color than the one on the right. Okay, so the one on the left is going to act like a highlight. Okay, then I select both shapes, top and bottom, do a clip. So the top lighter shape is clipped over the bottom darker shape. One more time. 2 circles, light and dark. Put the light one over the dark one. Okay, arrange it nicely. And then you will need to select both shapes and do a clip. There you go. Okay, so one thing to remember is the shape on top will be the one that is clipped over the bottom shape. Alright? Now, today for activity, you're going to create 2 birthday icons that use clipping. Okay, so we're actually going to do a cake and balloon. For present and party hat, we will see if we can do that next week. Alright, so now watch the next video for the teacher's demonstration.